Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset Toyota Sienna maintenance light 2021. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine and press, and hold the trip meter reset button. Wait for the maintenance light to blink or the display to show dashes, then release and press again until the indicator clears. Confirm the dash shows regular mileage and that the maintenance reminder is no longer displayed. Start by confirming the vehicle is in park and the parking brake is applied. Turn the key to the on position or press the start button twice without starting the engine so electronics activate. Press and hold the trip meter reset until you see dashes or a maintenance icon flash. Release and then press again to confirm the reset and watch the maintenance light disappear from the instrument cluster. If the maintenance light does not clear, try the same sequence again while holding the buttons slightly longer. Remember that disconnecting the battery can reset other systems and may require repeating the maintenance light procedure. If the indicator still stays lit or shows error codes, visit a dealer or qualified technician to inspect the vehicle, as underlying service items or electronic faults may need professional attention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.